Howdy. Thanks for calling Lone Star Comfort. This is the front desk. How can I help you today?
I got my AC went out about an hour ago. It's just blowing nothing but like hot air, and it's already like 90 inside the house. My wife, she's 8 months pregnant, and this heat is just brutal on her right now. Can y'all get someone out here today?
I'm so sorry to hear that. That's definitely stressful, especially with your wife expecting. Since it's Thursday afternoon and we're still in business hours, I can absolutely get a technician out to you today. First, what's your name?
Travis Holt,
Got it, Travis. And what's the address where we need to come out?
827 Pecan Hollow Drive, Houston, Texas.
Perfect. Let me read that back. 827 Pecan Hollow Drive, Houston, Texas. Is that right? So, to recap, your AC is completely down and blowing hot air. It's already 90 degrees inside, and this is urgent with your wife being 8 months pregnant.
Perfect, man. We're here waiting for you.
Wonderful. Perfect, Travis. We've got you booked. A confirmation email and a calendar invite are on their way to your inbox right now at travis@lonestarlabs.io. Our technician will be heading your way this afternoon to get that AC back up and running for you and your wife.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Travis. Hang in there. Help is on the way. Take care.